For the second position, the solid is rotated by an angle of 45 degrees. So here you can note in the question, it says axis is inclined to 45 degree. Axis is inclined to 45 degree to HP. So this is the axis. Sorry, here it is O. Here it is O dash. This is O1 dash. This is O dash. This is O1 dash. So this axis of the solid gets inclined to 45 degree to HP. So solid will be like this. But where to place this solid? If axis is inclined to 45 degrees, so say if axis is inclined to 45 degrees, so axis is inclined, so you have to place the solid in such a way that this axis is still remaining on the this edge is still remaining on the axis line. So if you tilt it this way, so you will not know where this edge is resting on this axis line. So the object was like this, solid was like this, then the axis got tilted to 45 degrees. Now you don't know where the solid has to be placed, but please note that when axis is inclined to 45 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees, so remaining angle will be 90 minus 45 degrees. So base is making an angle of 45 degree as well. So base angle will be 90 minus 45, where 45 is the angle of axis. So base angle will be 90 minus 45. So this base angle is 45 degrees. So since I know the inclination of the base, now with respect to axis line it is 45 degrees. So first I'll start with start with somewhere here. Leave some more space for the third wave. So 45 degrees. So now I'm giving inclination to the base. Actually the inclination is with respect to axis 45 degrees, but 90 minus 45, 90 minus 45, 90 minus 45, 45 is the angle of the axis, gives 45 degree here. So this will be, so this will be 45 degrees. So base inclination now it is 45 degrees. Now you can redraw this here. Base is 35. So first the base should come on this line. Height is 60. Also you have to mark the imaginary axis line. This is the second position. Transfer all the points here. So I have transferred all the points here. A1 D1 dash B dash C dash B dash C dash A dash D dash. So now to get the view here, you have to draw some projection lines from each point. So projection lines from each corner. So two projection lines from here. One, two, three, four projection lines from here, and two projection lines from here. So now to draw this top view. So as you can see, some are hidden lines here. This particular edge. So solid is like this. So first the solid was like this and it is tilted. Now you can see that this edge is hidden when you see from the top view. So when you see from the top view, this edge will be hidden. So when you see from the top view, this edge will be hidden. So only two faces you can see when you see from the top view, that is this face and this face. So when you look from the top, you can see only two faces, this and this. So you can see only this edge and this edge visible. So these two edges will be hidden. So like these two faces will be hidden when you see from the top view. So this is the top view, like this. Only these two faces will be visible. The bottom two faces will not be visible. So first what you do is, first rule is join all the lines of the boundary with a dark line. So always the boundary is visible. So always the boundary is visible. So that is the first rule. Boundary is visible. So now when you look from the top, this edge will be visible. This edge will be visible because it is close to the observer. Observer is here. So when observer looks from here, these two faces will be visible. So edge which is connecting these two faces, the edge which is connecting these two faces, this edge will be visible. So this edge is visible, and this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge will not be visible. So you have to mark it with a hidden line. So this dots or dash, this signifies the hidden line. Hidden line is this is the hidden line. Now you transfer all the points here. So this is the base. This portion is the base. So it will be A1, B1, C1, D1. This will be so this one is A1, B1, C1 and D1. So A is here, interpolating the points. So this one is A, B, C, D. This is the top face and this is the bottom face. So only one edge in the bottom is hidden line. So now you'll also have to mark the axis. So drop two projection lines